Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are absolutely fine, and this is Pooja. Welcome back to all of you in my YouTube channel. So friends, we are meeting after a long time, and in today's video I would like to tell you about an English app. So what is the name of this app? So the name of this app is Duolingo. I know maybe some people's already using this app and already know about this app, but I'm telling to those people who are not using this app. Okay, so watch this video till the end and learn that how to use this app. Okay, and if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can easily get the notification of my any upcoming video. Now let's start the video. So the app is Duolingo, and how to use this app. When you will start this app, you will not understand that how to use this app. So you will get some baby sentences in first league and first exercise. What is the league? So this app has 10 leagues, okay, or you can say 10 parts. This app divided in 10 parts, 10 leagues. Some leagues name I remember that Emerald League and Ruby League, Sapphire League and Amethyst League. So these are some names, and I don't know all the names of the leagues because now I am at 7th league, or the name of this league is Amethyst League. Okay, so the all 10 leagues have 3 zones: demotion zone, promotion zone and up to promotion zone. I will describe you everything after some time, but now I will tell you that how to use this app. Okay, so if you are beginner and you are in the beginning, then you will get some baby sentences in all the exercise. Don't worry, this is not a difficult exercise. If you will select any wrong sentences, then app will be instruct you that where is your mistake and how will you correct this. Okay, which type of topics you will get in this exercises. Suppose how to talk with siblings, how to talk with the family, how to talk at airport, how to talk in market, and how to talk about vegetables, how to talk about fruits, and how to talk about the dinner, breakfast, lunch. This type of simple and short topics, short exercise you will get in this app, and seriously you will enjoy this process because I have been using this app for last 2 months, and seriously I'm enjoying this process. Okay, when I had started to use this app, so I was thinking that it will be not work, and it will be boring after some time. But no, it is not boring. Seriously, this is like a game. Okay, many people play game in their mobiles and waste their precious time, waste their important time, play the game. Here I am not promoting this app. I'm just telling you that this app is very good for the beginners, and for those people who have already know about something English, and who have already knowledge about the English. They also can use this app. So this app divided in 10 leagues, or you can say 10 parts. Okay, so every league has 3 zones: demotion zone, promotion zone and up to promotion zone. Okay, every league runs till 1 week. Okay, and top 7 or top 3 announced on this Sunday. So up to promotion zone, if you are between 1 to 7 number, then you will be transferred in the next league from Sunday. Okay, and if you are number 8 or number 9, 10 or below all the numbers, so you will not be transferred, and you will have to exercise this same league again. So this type of circle going on in this app. I have been using this app for last 2 months, and now I am at 7th league. The name of this league is Amethyst League, and I am at 6th number in this app. So result will be announced on Sunday. So at that time I will be reached till 3 or 4th number, maybe, I'm sure. So if I'll get position number 3, if I'll get number 3, then first, second and third candidates names announced front of everyone can see them, that in which league they are in top 3. All the 3 candidates name announced front of everyone, and everyone can congratulate them. Okay, so this is all about this app, and I think you should start this app from now on and learn something new with enjoyment, with entertainment. Okay, we will meet again in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.